So to remove this door panel, we're going to have to start here to get to that. What I'm assuming is a 7mm, since everything else was too. Yeah, 7mm. Next, it is saying to remove this, so stick a screwdriver down there, peel that up. All right, now it says we got to remove this strip right here for some reason. So, get it in. There we go. Now we're going to replacing a whole goal of this to replace the side mirror, but I need to get to it first. So we got to get rid of the door panel. So this is kill, you know. Oh, these are, of course they change them. These are Phillips heads. So it looks like we got 3 Phillips heads right here. So once you remove the 3 Phillips head, we're going to move down to the bottom. Count the light for you. There's going to be 2 7mm. We're going back to 2 7s. And yeah, you remove these 2. All right, showing that's it. That's all it's holding it in. So get back here. This has got 9 clips. There we go. All right, so it's not too bad. All right, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this because, like I said, I'm gonna. It says somewhere in there's 9 clips. We're gonna have to pull this back so we can get to this trim piece back here, and this is what access the bolts to the mirror. All right, now that we got the top piece peeled back, we're gonna have to remove this trim. Yeah. Usually just lift up. There we go. Get this out of the way. Plastic clips, perfect. All right, even better. Okay, cool. And, oh, sorry guys, let me turn on the light for you. Here's this wiring harness right here that I just partially broke. All right, anyways, we'll figure out how to get that out, and then I'll get the size for you guys. All right, so those are a 10mm. So I have to pull out that wiring harness, and we'll get these three 10mm bolts out. All right, so we're working on the last bolt right now. Let's see how hard this is to get this out of here. All right. All right. I actually took mine off, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. 1 second, bear with me here. All right. So it looks like it goes in at an angle, just locks in. There we go. And then goes down. Looks good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put 1 bolt back in, and then I'm gonna test it out before we put it all back together to make sure this mirrors. I'll leave a link in the description on where I got it from. I know I got it off eBay, just don't remember the exact company. Like I said, I just want to hold it in so it doesn't go anywhere. Plug the electrical connector in. All right, let's test this out. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna put the last 2 bolts back in, put this top trim piece back, put your door panel back together. I actually don't see the purpose on why we had to remove this. Probably skip that step if you guys watched this whole video. But anyway, yeah, that's how you remove the door panel, and you've seen how to replace that side mirror. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section. I'll leave a link in the description for where I bought the mirror at for this 2015 Chevy Malibu. And yeah, please like and subscribe.